Hi, I am Adinath from Team Max Sparrow. Coral is an incredible tool. However, we identified two major friction points. Problem number one, we have only limited source, even though an enterprise needs more. But creating custom HTTP sources manually forces non-technical people to write deeply nested YAML configurations. This bottlenecks data experts with coding hurdles, which is unfair and unproductive. So, how to solve them? Today, I am introducing Coral Reef, a visual DAG editor and a AI copilot that could build any agent in minutes, powered by Coral. Let me show you. For the first problem, we have to build a custom source. Let's start with the source builder. Coral Reef lets you visually construct custom sources. For example, let's create a custom source for Airtable for this demo. Starting from the source configurations, then the endpoints that is required, and then the column schema, and then finally a diagnostic query. There is no fixed structure in Coral Reef. You could do anything you want in advanced ways. Under the hood, we engineered an AI compiler, eliminating manual syntax errors entirely. But in 2026, during the era of AI, a business analyst shouldn't even have to do that manually. Enter our source AI copilot. Watch what happens when I simply ask it to create a custom source. Wow! In the backend, you can see the YAML files that has been created. You can also use the custom nodes to do more complex jobs. This solves an enterprise problem of having limited sources and needing a technical person to create custom Coral sources. Moving on. Problem number 2. Building custom AI agents to act on this data is incredibly painful. Even though Coral helps us retrieve them, it is still complex and code heavy process. Our team initially had an idea to build one of the agents from the provided examples, but then we realized, what if we could build all four of them? And what if we could give companies the power to build any AI agent, that too without touching a single line of code? This brings us to the workflow orchestra or the AI agent builder powered by Coral. Here, users can chain complex automations using basic functional webhooks triggers to building advanced automations using vector search, LLM reasoners, and action HTTP. In this example, we use the Airtable source that we previously generated, retrieve the context from the vector DB we built, since real-world enterprises have proprietary data in the databases, and feeds it into our LLM to generate a final message using our custom API sender node. Wow. Just like that, we built an AI agent in 2 minutes. And just like the source page, we built a generative workflow AI agent to do heavy lifting for this complex AI agent, all prompted to just build a Stripe fraud detection pipeline. This sounds complex, but it is done. Notice how the graph instantly draws itself perfectly on the screen. This lets even non-technical professionals to verify and add something if needed to the AI agents before saving them. Now, let me show you some advanced agents that could be built. So let's build all the examples that has been given in the VMake deck in under 30 seconds. Wow. Awesome. It is evident that with Coral Reef, your imagination is the limit of building any AI agent possible. Now, any data analyst or non-technical person or CEO might build any AI agent they need instantly without needing a team of engineers and thousands of dollars in budget. At Coral Reef, enterprise data integration for any analysis and any analyst is no longer a multi-day engineering sprint. It's just a prompt away. What previously took 3 days can now be done in 3 minutes. Thank you.